Dear students, good morning everybody. Today is the Teachers' Day. I think all of you remember that. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day, and I am wishing all the faculty members also very happy Teachers' Day. This Teachers' Day is very important day because the teachers are the only people to build the human beings, to create the human resources for the development of the society and also very humanity. So they play the greatest role in building the human resources for any country in a great way for the development of any society or country. So I wish on this occasion, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day. And dear students, all of you are reminded of your the celebrations of the Teachers' Day in your schools and intermediate colleges also. And this is a very important day. Especially during this time, I am happy to inform you that your teachers, your faculty members are working very hard for the development of all the students. So yes, our faculty members are the only people in this region who are coming regularly to the university and developing the digital content for your benefit. These are the only people. Many colleges, 99% of the colleges, the faculty members are not going to the colleges, whatever they are working from their homes. But your faculty are fighting with COVID, and without affecting with the COVID, they are there to come to the college and preparing the content for the benefit of the students. This is the great contribution of your teachers. And this content also, I think you have gone through content from August 13, almost 20 days are over. I think by this time you must have observed the content is with great effort. Actually, for your information, again, so I am telling you that for the regular class, for 1 hour, naturally the preparation time required is only 1 hour or 1.5 hours. For the 1 hour digital content, they are struggling more than 6-7 hours, preparing the PPT, the underlining of the PPT, addition of proper examples to PPT and working models to PPT, what they are trying to do, and they are doing it in a very attractive way. Why this attractive form? We know pretty well that you are at home. There is a very possibility of deviations from the TVs and other distractions for you. But keeping that all the disturbances in view, that we have to prepare the content in a very most attractive way, almost at par with the TV program, and at times more attractive, more meaningful than the TV programs. That is exactly what is being prepared with the great efforts of your faculty. So this is a wonderful job your faculty, your teachers are doing on the campus. This is all for the benefit of the students. Nobody, very few is putting this kind of effort and showing this kind of concerns towards the students. Your faculty, your teachers are showing great concern, and during this COVID period, which is most of the people, 90% of the people are fear of this and limited themselves to their houses and rooms. But your faculty came out with all confidence and working very seriously for the benefit of the students. On this occasion, on this special occasion, I request all the students to greet your faculty on this day after this session is over. I mean after 12:30. So I request all the students without fail, greet your faculty. When you are getting good marks or when you are benefiting, when you are getting placements, all this is because of the efforts of your faculty. So they deserve a great greetings from your side. And more than that, so in the last 1 or 2 years, whomever the faculty you have great affection, respect and all that, try to have an interaction with that kind of faculty, at least 1 or 2 faculty. Because of you, I am in a good position, got good marks. Because of you, I got good placement. Because of you, I am like this, that kind of either counselor or faculty. Try to interact with them for 2-3 minutes so that they will be happy. This is so important because even if I give 2-3 extra increments, they may not be that happy. But if a student tells that it is what I am today is because of you, that gives a great kick for any faculty member, any teacher. So without fail, greet all your faculty members and also interact with the faculty members whom you respect more, and this gives a great culture for the institution also. So this is a great thing. We are not asking you to give money, or we are not asking you to give them gifts. We are not asking you to give them any material thing. We are asking you to be grateful and show a gratitude for their big effort, good effort, what they are doing it from the last 3-4 years, and especially during the last 2 months without caring their health also. Fortunately, by the God's grace, our faculty members are not affected by any COVID, this thing. That is the secret what we are telling you every time. They are working, their attention levels are different, they are not fear of it, and they are very healthy. So I request you at this moment, all the students, I am happy to know that all of you are attending the classes. More than 95-96% of the students are attending the classes. Means you are healthy, means the content what we have prepared is useful to you, and I really appreciate for your attention levels and also attendance. I wish you all the best. I wish all the faculty members very happy Teachers' Day. I wish them to contribute to the best of their ability for the benefit of the student community, and in turn for the benefit of the society at large. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.